Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Lexus ES 350 headlights. First, understand why proper alignment is crucial for safe driving. Correctly aimed headlights illuminate the road effectively, helping you see clearly and react quickly. This also prevents dazzling other drivers, which is a common safety concern. Regularly checking and adjusting your headlights ensures your vehicle is safe for nighttime travel, providing peace of mind on every journey. Before making any adjustments, proper preparation is key. Find a dark, level area and park your Lexus ES 350 exactly 25 feet from a flat wall or garage door. Make sure your tires are inflated to their recommended pressure and the fuel tank is full. For accurate results, have someone of average weight, around 150 pounds, sit in the driver's seat during the process. This simulates typical driving conditions. Now, let's locate the adjustment points. Open your hood and find the vertical adjustment screws on the back of each headlight assembly. You'll typically need a Phillips head screwdriver for this task. Turning the screw clockwise will raise the headlight beam, while turning it counterclockwise will lower it. Make small, gradual adjustments, checking the beam pattern on the wall after each turn to achieve the desired height. After adjusting, verify your work. The low beam cutoff line should be crisp and level, typically falling within 4 inches below the headlight center at 25 feet. Ensure both headlights are aimed consistently and do not project too high, which could blind oncoming traffic. Take your time to fine-tune for optimal visibility and safety. And speaking of staying prepared, check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed on the go.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.